How many cleaning jobs have you lost simply because you missed a phone call? Well, I'm going to show you how an AI receptionist can answer every single phone call for you, nearly eliminate spam calls, pre-qualify leads, and sometimes even book an appointment for you if you set it up to do that. You see, missing a phone call in your business has three different scenarios. One, if you have an AI receptionist, they stay on the line and you book the phone call because your AI receptionist pre-qualifies and transfers the phone call to you. Or the AI receptionist books the appointment themselves, either on the phone or over text. Now, scenario number two, they leave a voicemail and you can call them back later. That works sometimes, but I would not rely on that method. Number three, they hang up and they call your competitor. That happens more times than you'd probably care to know, but you totally don't want that scenario. What we want to do is get you scenario number one as often as possible. That's what an AI receptionist can do. So what I'm going to do is go over to my phone right now and give you a little demo of what this can do. And I'll give you the phone number if you want to call and try it yourself. So let's go over to the phone and call right now and talk to the voice AI agent.
Thanks for calling Premium Cleaning. If you want to book a cleaning appointment, say book appointment or ask me about any of our cleaning services or any other questions. Go ahead and ask.
Do you guys clean wool oriental rugs?
Yes, we are experienced in all types of cleaning situations, so we should be able to take care of that for you. I'm messaging one of our technicians now, and they will be back to you soon. But for the purposes of this demo, we'll say a tech will contact your prospect. However, you can have more detailed cleaning-related questions answered if you like. You can talk with John about your specific needs. This AI system is very customizable. Yes, we handle wool oriental rugs and all types of cleaning situations. One of our technicians will reach out to you soon to discuss your specific needs. Would you like to book a cleaning appointment, or do you have any other questions?
Yes, I'd like to book an appointment.
Great. I'm transferring you to John now.
Now it's going to transfer to me. So what will happen is I'll answer the phone and it will whisper the person's name if it knows the person's name. If it's a repeat client, it sometimes does. Or it just says this caller wants to know about area rug cleaning, oriental rug cleaning. And then I also know what type of call it is if I want to set it up that way to do call tracking. Or if not, if it's just all the general business calls, and you at least know a little bit of information. And you're instantly on the line with the person. Now, what was interesting too is at the very same time, as soon as it started to transfer, before it started to transfer, when I asked about area rug cleaning, it texted me. I didn't give it my phone number, it just automatically texted me and let me know that we do all sorts of specialty cleaning scenarios. Let me know a little bit of information about the wool rug cleaning that we do. And if you'd like, it can even give a link to your area rug cleaning page. A lot of different scenarios you can set up for that. But it's already pre-qualifying the client and I haven't talked to them yet. Let's say I don't answer the phone. Let's say I am busy cleaning. Well, it's still texted that person some information. And if your web page is good, it might already have them talked into you being the person that they clean for. As well, even if somebody calls your phone line and doesn't answer, they automatically get a text back. The text can say almost whatever you want it to say, but a lot of the times your phone number, just to remind them and have it there as a piece of marketing, I guess you might say, that's left behind, right? The phone call's over, they might forget about you, but then they glance at your phone later, and then they go, wow, that's right, I talked to these guys, and I glanced at their webpage, and they look like they really know what they're doing for area rug cleaning or whatever type of cleaning that they actually inquired about. But think about it as really being a receptionist that never calls in sick, doesn't need vacation, works 24/7, filters out spam calls for you, and books jobs, and just frees up your time. That's really what this is all about, right? Freeing up your time in your business and not missing leads. You can't miss leads and be successful. Advertising is way too expensive. Plus, if you'd like it to, the software can also do text blasting to your prospects, to your clients. It can do email newsletters. I think I've got another video about that, but the emails are already written. All you got to do is program them to send out. You can do voicemail drops to clients, book appointments, and a lot more. So if you're tired of missing phone calls, tired of dealing with spam, and you want to book more jobs, click the link below right now. There's some special introductory pricing that you'll find going on right now. Click the link. If you have questions, I'd love to answer, even set up a quick phone call if you have a lot of specific questions, but I'd love to help you get more leads and capture more leads better in your cleaning company.